Hello, who wants to read Bear Snores On? In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day and he sleeps through the night. The cold wind howls and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff of the cold snow. Mouse squeaks, eek! Too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip and pop, and the wind doesn't stop. But the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare pops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare. "Long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew some black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare's big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniffs, snuffs in the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share?" "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with the chew, chomp, crunch. And the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm," twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons stew, then a small pepper fleck makes the bear... Uh-oh, what's it gonna do? Achoo! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. He begins to gnarl and he snarls. And the bear roars, "Roar!" And he rumbles and he jumps and he stumps. Bear growls and he grumbles. "You've snuck in my lair and you've all had all the fun. But me, I was sleeping and I've had none." He whimpers and he moans, and he wails and he groans, poor bear. And the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn and we can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sights with delight, and he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. but his friends snore on.